I have this really cute $5 lantern. It came from Dollar General. They also have a taller one, and you can basically fill this with whatever you'd like. I have a bunch of artificial sprays. I got these from the Dollar Tree. And what I like to do is I just take one spray and split it in half so that leaves one in the center and cut it with my snips. I like to move all of the greenery up on the stem so that it looks a little more full. I'm then going to take it and staple this down into the base of the lantern. Next, I'm going to go to my next spray. These are some pumpkins. These came from Michael's, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to get equal sections and snip them. And then I'm going to place one on the left side and one on the right side. Now these are all wires, so they're very easy to kind of manipulate where you want it to lay. And I'm going to glue this down so the pumpkins are hanging on the ledge. And the last spray I'm going to be using here are just some fall colored berries. And I got these from Hobby Lobby. And again, I did the same exact thing. I just took equal parts and snipped it. And then I'm just going to put that into the bunch that's already on the base. And you can hot glue anything down for an extra hold. And this is what we have so far. Next, I'm going to take some painter's tape. I like to use my painter's tape to hold things down while I'm painting. I have 4 of these balls. I got them from Hobby Lobby. They have a flat base, and I'm going to paint all of them using Wise Owl Snow Owl. These can probably also be used as round knobs, and I got them from the unfinished wood section of Hobby Lobby. I have this metallic orange pumpkin I found from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to add hot glue to the bottom. You can also use E6000, and I'm going to place that in the center of the base. I have this bow. I got this ribbon from the Dollar Tree. I made a very small basic bow. I left the tails long at this point because I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do with them. But I'm going to use some super glue and just glue the bow on the top of the metal part of the lantern. Once all of these were dry, I'm then going to flip this over since everything is secure, and using some super glue, I'm going to glue these to the bottom of the lantern. So we're making little feet for the lantern. Now this step is totally optional. If this is something you want to hang, then you can skip this part. And I did cut my tails a little shorter, and I think this came out adorable, nice and easy. Thank you for watching. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, mesh stencils, wood cutouts can all be found at chalkitupfancy.com. Have a great day.